Would you like to build your own e-commerce application to make money selling online stores? You can do it with our free course on how to build a multi-tenant e-commerce platform with Wildcloud. We've crafted a course packed with 7 lessons that will guide you step by step to learn how to leverage multi-tenant WordPress and Wildcloud to empower your clients to create and manage their online stores. You'll learn how to build the necessary Wildcloud applications, how to build a global front-end dashboard to allow your users to manage their stores without having to use the normal WordPress dashboard, and even how to design pre-built websites and automate subscription sales. This course is for you whether you want to generate recurring revenue, gain experience as a web developer, or add web apps to your portfolio. And with no-code tools, this course is accessible to everyone with basic WordPress knowledge. Sign up for our course now and start your journey towards mastering the art of multi-tenant e-commerce platforms. Welcome to the second lesson of our free course on how to build a multi-tenant e-commerce platform on Wildcloud. In this lesson, we are going to install all the necessary plugins to build our multi-tenant e-commerce platform. Let's consider the plugins one by one, focusing first on these 3 essential plugins. We will use WP Frontend Admin to create a global front-end dashboard, from which our e-commerce platform users will be able to manage their own sites or tenants. This means that instead of using the normal WordPress dashboard, you will be able to create a fully customized user interface that displays WP admin pages on the front end. And when the platform users log into their sites, they will be automatically redirected to the front-end dashboard, where they will have everything they need in order to manage their sites without using the normal WP admin dashboard. In the Wildcloud environment, we use the WaaS client plugin to identify which sites or tenants belong to the clients or users of our platform. We do this by assigning them a tenant role. For now, you'll just have to install the plugin because we'll talk about tenant roles in the next lesson. You can get the premium version of WP Frontend Admin, as well as the WaaS client plugin, by following the links in the text version of this lesson, which you can access by following the link in the description of this video. The WooCommerce plugin will allow your platform clients to build online stores. This plugin provides everything the users will need to create and manage products, set up payment gateways, view and manage orders and sales reports, create and manage discount coupons, and so on. In addition to these 3 essential plugins, we recommend installing the 5 plugins from this list, especially if you want to save yourself the time of building your front-end dashboard from scratch. With our new front-end dashboard template wizard, you can create a front-end dashboard with a few clicks using any of our front-end dashboard designs for Elementor. These front-end dashboard templates use these plugins, so you will need to install them. These other 2 plugins are optional but useful. User Menus allows you to add items with conditional visibility to your navigation menus. This way you can add menu links that are only visible to logged in or logged out users. User Role Editor allows you to edit the capabilities of your existing user roles or create custom user roles. This is useful when you want to add more permissions to the existing user roles in order to allow them to access specific admin pages from the front-end dashboard. We also recommend installing your favorite WordPress theme since the default WordPress themes do not allow many customization options like changing the site logo, adding navigation menus, setting up different appearance styles, and so on. Therefore, it is important that you install your favorite theme, which you will use to design the site templates and to set a logo for the front-end dashboard site. In this course, we will use the Cadence theme, but you can use your favorite theme. As you can see, here we have the Codebase application and the Storefront application. We will install the plugins and themes on the Codebase application, so let's open it. As you can see, this application doesn't have any tenants yet, so we'll open the versions editor to install the necessary plugins to build our multi-tenant e-commerce platform. And here's where we need to install the plugins and themes. You can install the plugins by uploading the zip files or install them from the WordPress repository. Optionally, after installing the premium version of the WP Frontend Admin plugin and activating your license, you can use the template wizard to install the plugins required to import front-end dashboard templates. Once you're done installing the plugins and themes, you're ready for the next lesson where we'll learn how to create a tenant role and deploy the current version. This will complete the base we need in order to build our multi-tenant e-commerce platform.